Make sure that the hoist is in good working condition before using it. Check for any signs of wear and tear or damage to the lifting arms, hydraulic lines or cables. Check load ratings and service history and ensure the vehicle you are lifting is within the weight limits of the hoist. Lower the hoist to the ground and position the lifting arms under the vehicle's lifting points. Position the vehicle on the hoist according to the manufacturer's instructions. Ensure that the vehicle is centered and that the weight is distributed evenly between the front and rear wheels. Check that the lifting points on the vehicle are secure and that the hoist pads are properly positioned. The lifting points should be strong enough to support the weight of the vehicle. Raise the hoist slowly and keep an eye on the vehicle as it goes up. Stop immediately if you notice any problems, such as a shift in weight or an unbalanced load. Once the vehicle is fully lifted, double-check that it is secure and stable before starting any work. Always lower the vehicle onto the safety locks before going under the vehicle. Avoid moving or rocking the vehicle while it is on the hoist. This can cause the hoist to tip over or the vehicle to fall off. When you're finished with the work, lower the hoist slowly and carefully. Make sure that the vehicle is on the ground before removing it from the hoist. Always follow the manufacturer's guidelines for maintenance and inspection of the hoist. Regularly check for signs of wear and tear and repair or replace any damaged parts as needed. Remember, safety should always be your top priority when using a hoist. By following these steps and being cautious, you can safely and effectively use a Molnar 2-post hoist.